Hello, guys. Oh, crap. A small number of my videos will be labeled as, I guess you could say, well, I can't give you a specific number, but but it will be a splinter series, as I will call it. For every successful experiment, I will break a piece of wood over my head. Now, this piece of wood is about a half an inch thick, extremely strong, so it's probably going to hurt like hell. So, as you probably noticed in the corner of the screen, you can see this is a part of an S-107 helicopter, and not all of it, just the blades are from the copter. The rest of it came from something entirely different. Well, it's a coaxial helicopter, but a completely different kind. It had shorter blades for it, and they were made a little bit differently, where the screw would go. So that's really critical to the flight, because I mean, of course, not only does the weight of these blades keep it from just spinning out of control and going, where's the tornado? Ouch. It's because as your gyroscope goes, it also, so your helicopter tilts. Your blades are supposed to stay level with the ground. So, however they're supposed to be when it's nice and flat. Well, it spun right out of my hands. So, nice and flat is how they're supposed to be at all times. No matter whether your helicopter is facing this way, your blades will tilt so that they're constantly facing. But with the spinning, it can, you know, do its job, because that's how it works. It's a gyroscope. So let's get the screw on here, because last time I checked it, because I've got where normally a clip like these would be used. These ones are too short, and I can't seem to find any I can't seem to find the one that I previously had. There's just one, but it's enough. But with the copper wire loops that I make out of some copper wire and hot glue, you have to have two, otherwise it's just gonna pop off, and alrighty, that causes problems. So if it flies good, there's going to be some splinters. This is a failed test that I didn't make a video of. But that went pretty bad because when I cut off the weights, I think I have one down here somewhere, possibly. Kind of doubt it, but can't blame me for not looking, because I'm looking. Well, in any case, they weighed both together about, let's see, I know I have something around in here. Look back about that. Oh well, fuck, try in plain sight. Both weights together weighed about as much as this pin, and this is a hybrid gel roller. I really like this pin, and I'm almost out of ink. What does it say? Pentel or Pentel or something like that. It's spelled Pentel. So whatever the hell. Bullseye. So yeah, this is the original gyro with the weights cut off. That did not go good. It would go up off the ground and it would just go in whatever direction. I would test it, and the thing would just tilt with however I tilted the helicopter. Except that thing's not a fucking plane. You could cut off all the engines entirely on a plane and still be in the air. You do that to a helicopter, you're dead. Unless it's a remote control one, and it's a toy or nobody's in it, and it doesn't hit nobody. So I really don't know how this is gonna fly. I'm hoping it flies good. I put some holes in the nose of it to allow the air to go through it and cool the battery more efficiently. I mean, there is a original hole right here. Making a video. Yeah, my mom just popped in. She rolled in. Boing, boing, boing. Oh, I'm rolling. Quit rolling me. Come on, lady, you're rolling this no hill. So, I'm Pat. That's her. She is large. Very large. And yeah, that came from a piece of the helicopter hit me in the mouth when piece that actually is screwed on to the helicopter broke off, allowing the original setup, which holds the blades really, and the gyroscope just kind of controls how that tilts, or yeah, like that, just kind of tilts like that. Instead, as a result, then the piece broke, which I didn't quite realize it at first. I mean, it had a really bad TDE, and it was going like, doing like the side to side motion like that as it was going around like that. So it was like it was bad. It'd make you dizzy looking at it. So this, yeah. I've had a lot of bad vibration back here, so I took some hot glue and put it here, 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 and also on the back sides down here. And I also put some on the main shaft here. But yeah, the only other shaft that anybody's gonna be looking at is the one that I kept zipped up, and the only person who's gonna be allowed to see it is my girlfriend. Or if a girl is cute enough, old enough to. Yeah, ain't nobody seen that shaft if they're under 18. And I'm close enough to say 17 since my birthday is next month. By the way, my name is Sean, if I haven't mentioned that already. Shit. Still. Yeah, my sister crashed the helicopter when it completely broke off the little prongs that come out of the middle piece, and one of the bits of it hit me in the lip. But bow! That hurt like a son of a bitch. So, if the helicopter flies, I'm gonna make some splinters. Until there's just no more wood to make splinters with, or I decide to save some. So let's fly. But first, let's see. So I'm gonna go to the zoom settings here for manual. Let's turn it on. Ouch. So let's see how we go here, because I'm going to yeah, I really like this one because it has all that right there where you can control, so that you don't have any of that spinning. You can control how which rotor goes faster or whatever. I think if you need to turn it more to the right, let's see how the blades goes, because this one will go this way, which would that's supposed to be turning both blades. Hold on, I think we got a problem here. Let's see if any lubricant might help. This lubricant looks like piss. Oh shit, that's bright. So it's stuff that you can use if your brakes are rusted. helps get them loose. Because it's really good. It's a magnetic lubricant, so it's really good with metal too. Very much different from what is originally used on this thing. You have to. I got an extra because I can't just keep using the can. But you have to redo the lubricant every so often in the gears, otherwise it starts going a little crappy. Okay, I'm not the robot boy. Dang, it squirt me. Shit. There we go. That ought to do it. Okay. So now where did I put that toy? Yep. Now find the screw here. Alright. Tighten the screw. Shit. I'm gonna drop it. Yeah, sorry about this taking so long, guys. Ah, there we go. It ain't turning that lower blade no more. Oh, you can't see, sorry. No more lower blades being turned by the top ones, and damn, look at that. So, huh. That's great. But I need to finish tightening up the screw here. Hope that don't change nothing. Come on, motherfucker. Yeah, we got a problem here. Seems it's mounting on too low, which is the biggest problem with me using a part that does not go to this kind of helicopter. So if I can just Yeah, I'm sure not all my videos are gonna be like this. Sorry about this, guys. I wonder if it's... So, yeah, no, just flicking those two. Let's lubricate these gears. So I take the syringe here, see the whole setup. I'll take it here, just got a drip about ready to come up, and put one over here. Do it again and put it right over where the electric motors are, right where the gears come out, and just give the throttle just a right in the face. God, that tastes horrible. That's the first time that shit's ever happened, because I used a bit much. Yeah, it's all over my hands. Shit. Ugh. So yeah. That gyroscope had a relatively slow reaction speed. Now, if this was the proper gyroscope, it would have took a whole lot less time. No joke. So, basically, the advantage to that is I have more maneuverability. Now, the consequence to that is I also have less stability. So the body of it's probably going to want to shake around. Gyroscope's automatically going to want to stay level. Now, that will work the blades, but it could do better with the heavier gyroscope and proper clips. So there's your Frankencopter. Frankenchopper. Frankenheli. There you go. Frankenheli. So, test one. Hopefully not disaster. Run. I just got doing something here real quick. I don't know if I can. I guess I can. Crap. I would just say, man, I suck at this. That looks like a 5. And yeah, this will be test 1. So, starting to, oh, that's actually perfectly placed. Looks like it's right there on the, yeah, on the fridge. So, I could be starting with something bad. Okay, what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw out the zoom. All the way, because that did not seem to be a horrible test. I really don't know it yet. Oh, that hurt. Ow. That was a little unexpected. So, work on the zoom again a little bit. So, oh shit! It didn't hit me. But where it almost hit me would have really hurt, but there were places that it could have hurt worse. Yeah. Almost it. It literally almost got me, like right there, just right above the where my shirt wasn't gonna do much, man. Just right above the waistband of a freaking jeans. Shit. So I'm gonna say that's not too conclusive, because I'm supposed to be able to control that motherfucker. That was not control. I'm not trying to hit myself with it. So let's take this down to test 2. Dang. Yeah, that's how I draw my twos. So, alright. Crap, I gotta go back to Zoom again too, just so I can make sure. Yeah, you can see a lot of movement in the body, but it seems to be quite maneuverable, actually. I was just hoping that would go out of control, and it didn't. Good, because that could have hit my arm, and that hurts like shit. Well, at least it ain't on full throttle. That fucking hurts. So let's zoom out. Or do a higher flight. You know, actually, I need to change that to test 3 before I do anything. I have to keep tabs on this stuff. Alright, that's not what it looks like. Just so you know. No, it's not a pussy and it's not an ass either. Just a 3. Not no shitty ass John pussy or ass or nothing. No, seriously. If it was, I wouldn't be using some Synaptics touchpad that's a very cheap ass one. I'd actually get myself a little Bluetooth drawing board, which I would not be able to use until Windows 10 actually were to get some Bluetooth drivers that are compatible with Windows. Develop some Bluetooth drivers that are compatible with Windows 10. So higher flight test, aka test 3. Alrighty. I think that concludes that. Even though I'm kind of new with those things, not bad. It works. So, I guess it's time for some splinters. Where did I put the foot? Oh. Now, let's see how I'm gonna break this. On my head. Shit. Well, I didn't exactly feel good. Oh. Didn't hurt as bad as I thought it would. Damn. I mean, like right there. Damn. Well. You know, if I wanted to be funny, I probably should have put an effect, something around like that. But I didn't have anybody to click the button at the right time. And that's just kind of corny. When I know there's a flame effect here. Cheap. Well, that's all for now.